Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful fondant rose. First, gather your essential tools. You will need fondant, a rolling pin, a small round cutter, and a dusting pouch with cornstarch. Prepare your workspace by lightly dusting it to prevent any sticking. Choosing a high-quality fondant will ensure the best results and a smooth, elegant finish for your edible creation. Now, let's create the foundation of our rose. Roll out your chosen fondant to a consistent thickness of about 1/8 inch. Using your small round cutter, cut out several circles. These will become your individual petals. Next, take a small piece of fondant and shape it into a cone. This cone will form the central bud, providing a sturdy base for your rose. With your bud ready, it is time to add the petals. Gently thin the edges of each fondant circle using a ball tool or your fingertips to create a more natural look. Attach the first 3 petals around the cone, ensuring each one slightly overlaps the previous. Continue adding petals in layers, working your way outwards and maintaining even spacing for a realistic bloom. For the final touches, gently curl the outer edges of your petals outwards. This simple step will give your rose a more natural, open, and lifelike appearance. If any petals seem loose, use a small brush with a tiny amount of edible glue to secure them firmly. Finally, allow your beautiful fondant rose to dry completely for several hours before handling or placing it on your cake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.